Grímur Kamban was, according to the Færeyinga saga, the first man to set foot in the Faroe Islands. The name was written Grim in Old Norse and often Grim in English. Settlement of the Faroe Islands. The saga says he was a Norwegian Viking escaping the tyranny of the Norse king Haraldr Hárfagri. However, this is an error in this saga, because Harald's age was in the late 9th century, while the first Norse settlers reached the Faroes after 825. According to the Færeyinga saga, the first settler in the Faroe Islands was a man named Grímur Kamban, han byggde Fyrstr Færeyja. It may have been the land-taking of Grímur and his followers that caused the anchorites to leave. The nickname Kamban is probably Gaelic, and one interpretation is that the word refers to some physical handicap. Another that it may point to his prowess as a sportsman. Probably he came as a young man to the Faroe Islands by way of Viking Ireland, and local tradition has it that he settled at Færeyinga in Eysturoy. It was also Irish monks who settled in the Faroes from about 625, which is today proved by botanical researchers. According to Dicule, those monks left the islands before 825 after Viking raids. Thus Grímur Kamban is supposed to be the first man who resettled the Faroes. It is said that he settled down in Færeyinga on Eysturoy. The name Færeyinga means finding. Excavations have shown Viking houses in this area, as well as all over the Faroes. The name Kamban indicates Celtic origins. Thus he could have been a man from Ireland, Western Isles or Isle of Man, where the Vikings had already settlements. Another theory says he could have been an early Christianized Norwegian under the influence of Irish monks there. If Gaelic, the first part of Kamban would originate in the Old Gaelic Cam crooked. The word Kamban itself would the most likely be from Kamban, roughly translatable as crooked one. The sports reference refers to the use of cam also in the term cambog, which refers in origin to the type of stick used in games like hurling, hockey and golf.